So in the previous video, we saw about the different turns which can be made. So now we are going to see some more examples of how we can make the turns. So now I have a smiley face and it's facing this direction. Now I'm going to make it a quarter turn towards the clockwise. Clockwise means towards this side. So I'm going to make a quarter turn and now it's turned towards facing this direction. So this is a quarter turn. Now again I'm keeping like this. Now we are going to see half turn. So half turn is nothing but it will turn, make one right angle and it will also make an other right angle. So this is a half turn. So now it has moved here. So this is, it has made completed a half. So this is a half turn. So again when it is moving here, this is a 3 right angle. So this is one right angle, this is one right angle and this is another right angle. So now when it is a whole turn, how it will move? This is the position, it has to make a whole turn. So it will move like this, then like this, then like this, then finally it has made one whole turn. So this is a whole turn. Let's see how it will be placed. So this is how it will look finally. So this was the starting and it made a quarter turn and it's facing this side, and it made a half turn and facing towards the down. I told you when the starting and the half turn will be the exact opposite. So it's the opposite, and when it's a full turn it will come back to the original space. So this is a full turn. So this was the starting of the smiley. This is the quarter turn. It has made a quarter turn and it's made a half turn, and finally when it is a full turn or a whole turn, it will come back to its original position. So now I am having my arrow here. Now I am going to make a quarter turn. So how do I change it? It will in the clockwise. So this direction. So my arrow will move like this. Okay, see, similarly like the hands of the clock, and it will face here. So this has made a quarter turn. So it was first, originally it was here, now it's made a quarter turn and now it will face this direction. Okay, now we are going to see a half turn. So originally my arrow is here. I'm going to make a half turn. Half turn is nothing but two right angle turns. So this is one right angle turn, okay, and another right angle turn. Now my arrow is facing in this direction. So this is a half turn. So when you see, previously my arrow was in this direction. When it's making a half turn, it's exactly in the opposite direction. So this is a half turn. Now let's see for a full turn. For a full turn, it will move like this. This is a, originally it is like this. So now it's going to make a full turn. So this is a 1/4 turn and a half turn and a 3/4 turn, and finally it's made a whole turn. So when it's making a whole turn, it will come to its original position. So this is how it will be. So originally it was here, now it's made a quarter turn, so it will face in this direction. When it is making a half turn, it will be just the opposite. Previously it was facing frontwards, now it's facing backwards. So this is the half turn, and when it's making a full whole turn, it will come back to its original face, original position. So this is how it will be if it is in an anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise means it has to move this side for a quarter turn. So that is why I have kept it facing this side. So after that, for a half turn it will change in this direction, and again for a whole turn it will face the same way as it is in the starting position. So similarly, try for the arrows how it will be in the starting position, and when it turns half turn, okay, in a anti-clockwise direction, and in a half turn and in a whole turn.